Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making another art journal page, and here I'm already spreading around some paint. I'm working in the journal that I used last week. It's an old book, and I was inspired by a class that I took on, or that I'm currently taking over on Domestika. I will link it up in the video description. My pages are primed with gesso, and here you see me smushing around acrylic ink. It's a handmade one, and I shared more details about this in the last video. So if you're interested, then check that out. I'm using water and a brush to spread everything around, and when too much water goes into the spine of the book, I just dry my brush and soak that water up, because I'm not sure how much water this old book can take. This is one of my favorite colors. It's almost like the quinacridone gold. I will now go in with some white paint to make a more messy background. I really enjoy playing with my fingers, and I just want to play intuitive and see what result I will get. I let this dry, and now I come in with some Cobalt turquoise. It's one of my favorite colors from Schmincke, and I also apply it with my fingers. I love it together with this quinacridone gold color. I'm adding a bit water with my fingers to blend the paint in. I come back in with some white paint and apply it with a spatula. That gives me another interesting texture. When the background is dry completely, I come in with some stamps to create some interest on the background. And here I'm using the Mixed Media Marks #1. It's the clear set. It's also available as a rubber set in our shop. I'm using it together with StazOn, and I just wanna get some touches of it here and there on my pages. When I do this kind of background stamping, I prefer not to use an acrylic block with my stamps because I don't want to have a super perfect impression. I just want some texture, and I also usually pick colors that are similar to the ones that are already on the page. Here I picked the bigger one of the grungy sequins, and this one I mounted to an acrylic block with a glue stick because I want these sequins to be perfect. Otherwise, if I stamp them not in a good way, you will think, what the hell is this? And I want that you can't see what it is. And also this stamp is perfect to create a background texture, as you can just turn it a little and then you get a complete different orientation and image. Finally, I'm using black ink for these numbers. This is one of my favorite stamps. I use it on many projects because I think it matches almost every kind of theme, and I think it's perfect for this messy page. I decided to use black ink because I will add some flowers to the spread, which have a black outline, and so I have not only these black flowers, I also have something dark in the background. I have stamped these flowers to some jelly prints, and I had them already ready to go in my little box with images. And here I'm drawing some stamps for the flowers and also some leaves. I'm using a black watercolor pencil from Faber-Castell. I'm also drawing a bottom to my spread so the flowers don't fly around, and I'm using a little bit of water to blend the pencil. To finish the spread up, I'm adding some black splatters and then I'm adhering my flowers. And this is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the page. See you next time. Bye.